Hey everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you all here today because we are going to be making one of my all-time favorite Disney World snacks, the Cheeseburger spring rolls from Magic Kingdom. So we tried these for the first time a few years ago, and as you can tell by our faces, we fell in love with them immediately, and now they're a staple on every trip to Disney.
Right? How good is that? Nice. It tastes like a cheeseburger.
Whether you've had these rolls before or not, I hope you'll give this recipe a try and bring some of the magic of the parks into your own home. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a pan over medium heat with a little bit of oil and a ½ pound of ground beef that I'm just breaking up and cooking here. This is half the recipe that I normally make, but this day it was just me and my husband, so I only made 6 rolls, which we later regretted because they are delicious and we wish we had more, but lesson learned. Okay, and then I'm just adding some salt and pepper. I'd say about a ½ teaspoon of each, but it's to taste. And a ½ cup of diced up onions. So we're just going to cook that until they are translucent and the ground beef is browned. And when it's all done, I just drained off the fat and we are going to move on. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of very finely diced pickles to the bowl with the onions and the ground beef. And then a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Now, if you aren't a fan of any of these things, feel free to leave them out. This combination just tastes the most like the Magic Kingdom spring rolls to me. So you want to take an egg roll wrapper and face it towards you in a diamond shape, and I'm just laying a few slices of the American cheese across the center, and about a ¼ cup or so of the ground beef mixture. So then you just want to take a little bit of water on your finger or a brush and put it all along the edges of the wrapper, and that will help seal everything up. And then you want to take one side of the wrapper and bring it in towards the center, and then the other side of the wrapper to meet it. There we go. And then you just tuck those edges down and roll it up. And I like to tuck these little corners in almost like a little envelope. Make sure nothing spills out, and just roll, roll, roll. Okay, there we go, and perfect. So let's keep rolling these babies up. Hey, did you move Mama's camera? So we have our oil heated to 375 degrees, and we're going to fry the rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are golden brown and crispy. Oh, you hear that crunch? That's exactly what we are looking for. They are so delicious. They bring me back to my happy place, Magic Kingdom. They are ooey gooey, tangy, salty, everything you want and more in a snack. Okay, and now on to the secret sauce. This stuff is incredible. It's basically a fry sauce, but it is just mayo, ketchup, and pickles, and it is the absolute perfect accompaniment. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite snack is in Disney World. I would love to hear it. And if you have any ideas of maybe some food items you'd like to see me make in the future, I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!